Hey guys, welcome back to Zone 2 Garage. Today we're back at you with the 2015 Nissan Frontier Desert Runner. Today we're going to do the headlights and the park lights, and then we will add a video for these turn signals. Unfortunately, we don't have them right now. For this install, we're going to be using some LEDs off of Amazon, $194 for the park lights, and we're going to be using some BeamTech 9007 LED bulbs for the high-low beams. The driver's side is what we're going to start with. It is the easier side. You do have more room to work on. So basically, obviously, let's pop the hood. Oh, also, we will not be using any tools for this video. So all you need are your bulbs and your two hands. So we're going to pop the hood, prop it up, and we're going to get in here. As you can see right here, I'll get my associate to bring the camera around. You can see that the bulb is located right inside of here, and you can see it very clearly on the driver's side. It's right there. That boy, you're going to take this white collar here, and you're just going to spin that righty-tighty, lefty-loosey deal, and it's going to come right off, and you're just going to wiggle this boy out, just like that. Nice and easy, nothing complicated. Once you have it out, we're going to pull it over here, and we're going to get a look at this connector that we have on here. So we have the connector here, and looks like we're going to press down on this to get that tab up. You guys see this tab right here? This is what we're pressing down the connector to engage and get it up and over that boy. So this tab here is going to come up and over that. So we're going to sit this down, take our old bulb out, place that down somewhere safe. They do work, you know. I like to keep bulbs sometimes for the spares, just in case, you never know. Alright, so now we're going to put our locking collar on. It goes that way? Nope. Actually, how's this gonna work? Let's see. Looks like we're gonna have to take this off, guys. So we're gonna spin this, and it's gonna come off just like that. You're gonna drop in your collar right like that, so just so we can get it off, because you're not getting it over that. Then we're gonna drop our collar back on. You see it has these tabs that stick out on the bulb, the BeamTech bulbs, and you just light up those two receptacles. So let's go ahead and do that. Try not to drop the bulb, as you see me clumsily doing. Let's get that lined up. You see that, how it lines up right there? So, and you just push it down. Let's get that boy on here. What's going on here? They are size proportionate, actually. So, yeah, so you can mess up, guys. They're both sides. One is cut bigger, one is cut smaller, so you can only go on one way. You're just going to push that on there. And now we're solid. You're going to turn it a little bit, make sure it's locked. You see these teeth up there? They turn and they lock. So now we're locked in. So let's go ahead and we'll plug in our light. Make sure we have the right bulb. Always want to do that. Alright, we're going to drop our harness in there. And we're going to ever so carefully get our bulb in here. Looks like we're going to come through here. It's going to be easier around the box. You're going to come right through there. You're going to go straight in. You're going to feed the bulb in. Alright, and you're just going to twist this here, boy. It's going to have this white thing, this white retaining clip is going to have tabs on the actual headlight. So you're just going to twist that and you'll feel it lock in as soon as you have it on there properly. Nope, we don't have it just yet. Make sure our bulb sits in there. There we go. So the bulb has these little tabs on it as well. Let's not forget to mention that. Right here, you see these cutouts? Inside of the headlight there's going to be those tabs in there. So you just want to rotate the headlight so you feel it. You'll feel this O-ring just suction in there. Alright, and then you'll know you're in there. So you just go ahead and you see how we just tighten that real nice like? And there we go. We're done, guys. So let's move on to the parking bulb. The parking bulb is going to be up in this corner here, is where we're going, right up under here. So we're just going to put our hand there and we're going to do a simple twist to the left, and here we go. Oh, I guess that bulb was ready to go. That was the bulb that we were doing this replacement for. So let's just give it a check. Nothing's in there. Oh, it broke down there. So let's see if we can find it. Looks like it disintegrated to Narnia somewhere. So let's go ahead and see how we're going to get that out of there. We're going to unplug this, guys. A little bit tricky. Push that down. Use your fingers. There you go. You'll hear it click when it clears it. and we'll push that down. Now you see how the bulb broke off as soon as we pulled it out, it just disintegrated. I'm gonna assume there's lots of glass down there. I can see little bits and pieces of it. We want to ever so carefully try to get this out. I'm gonna get my trusty pocket knife out right now. Let's see if we can't do this. Probably using the best tools to be using for this. I could probably go get a screwdriver, but we're gonna see how this goes. There we go. Look at that, guys. So, you know, just give it a little bit of pressure. It's not held in there tight. Obviously, you don't want to use a pocket knife. I just had it available. You just want to use something to pop that out of there real nice like. So now that we have that out of there, let's pop open our LEDs. Alright, we have one of them opened up right there. Alright, we got one nice one out. Go ahead. Go ahead, little buddy. Oh, don't come all the way out just yet. There we go. So we got our LED out. Let's go ahead and pop that in there. Nice and snug. Alright, same thing with the headlight, guys. We're gonna get our wire harness. We're gonna plug this boy back in. Boom. And now we're gonna go back, same thing. We have our little tabs. It's really hard to see. There's no way that you can see how it's going in. So the easiest way is just put it in there and turn it. So we're gonna line it up. You can see through the fender straight down. And we get it in there just like that. And we just get it turned. Can we get a shot of it up here of their vantage point? So this is where you would be seeing it through, right through this little fender line there, right up here, Rich. You see, so you see the connector right in there that I'm pushing on. So if it doesn't go in, you just pop it back out a little bit, twist it, and it will go in. Having a little bit of that trouble with it now, but we'll just keep trying the combinations till it goes in. There we go. And eventually you'll get it, guys. Bam. Alright, so that's the driver's side done. Let's go ahead and move over to the little bit more difficult side, the passenger side, and let's see how this gets done here. So the passenger side, we have the battery in the way. It is big and bulky, and it is annoying to remove. So let's go ahead and give this a shot with the battery in still. Knowing what we know with the driver's side, we're going to feel in here for our white clip on our headlight bulb. And then we're just going to pop it out. Looks like I got it already. So, you know, it's a little bit of a tight space to work, but it should be doable. Once again, our clip that we're going to press in here, and we'll pop it out. So we're out. So now let's go ahead and get our nice new LED headlight bulb. BeamTechs are really good bulbs. I run them on my trucks and my bikes, so I do recommend them. So you twist that, get that off of there. Let's go ahead and get our retaining clip on there. Let's go ahead and get our mounting bracket back in this. All right, we're back in. We're gonna plug in. Make sure we got a good connection. We're gonna drop that in there. All right, same way on the other side. Let's be very careful when we're putting it in. This side is tighter, but once again, this is doable. So let's just see where we're going real quick. All right, we're in there. You're just gonna push your bulb in. That's all you're doing. Trying to make sure that you're seated in the correct orientation. And once you are, you just hit that white clip. Let's see if I got it. Sometimes you gotta change up hands. looks like we're having a little bit of trouble getting that boy lined up. So you see, you can look through the headlight a little bit down here, and you'll see some of the orientation there. Let's see what's stopping us. It's a little bit of finagling to do. It will go in. Pow, just like that. And then we just take our white retaining clip and we're tight. All we use were fingers, guys. So let's go ahead and let's knock out our parking light one time. It is in the same place. You will have to get your hands. You still have the same viewing window that you can see. So you twist that boy and pull her out. And there we have it. So this one didn't break. We're good to just take the bulb out. Let's get ourselves one more LED bulb. Whoops. One more. Pop that baby. And here we go. Just gonna pop that boy in there. Just want to make sure it's nice and snug. And let's go back to our viewing window. There we go. And we're in. And we're just going to line up our slots again. There we go. You'll feel it click in and you'll feel it turn. So guys, now we have everything installed. Let's go ahead and get our keys out and let's run our LEDs real quick. We have park lights. We have both park lights. We should have headlights. We have headlights. We should have high beams. Now we have high beams and park lights. Thanks for watching, guys. Make sure to catch the next video. We're going to take care of the fog light bulbs next. All right, have a good one.